Silverwax here, we looked at new approaches to cleaning your car in a modern world. It's not everybody that's got access to a hose and a good place to clean their car, lots of water, good shade. And so we looked at products that could add a new aspect to easing the time it takes to clean your car, but also easing the requirements that it takes to clean your car. With our 3-in-1 waterless cleaner, it's just a spray bottle. You shake it up, and you don't need a single drop of water to clean your car. With Silverwax's new 3-in-1 waterless cleaner, you can clean your car, decontaminate your paint, and provide a protective coating of wax to your car all in one step. With just this product and some microfiber towels, you're going to clean your car and protect it for a long time to come. To apply the product, you simply spray it on, working one panel at a time. Use one microfiber to gently lift off all the large dirt from the panel. And then I come in with a second clean microfiber towel and just buff out the product, which is going to give you that high luster and deep color that you're looking for from a perfectly clean and protected car. And just like that, you've cleaned off a panel with 0 water used and just 2 microfiber towels in one product. In the sun, in the shade, doesn't matter. Just start spraying all over, get the microfiber towels, and you're done in a matter of minutes. So we've had a lot of motoring TV viewers ask us where they can get their hands on the product. Well, the simple answer is you can go to silverwax.ca and order directly from us, or go to the closest Canadian Tire and ask them for our product.
Sometimes we forget most of the time to tell to every customer, thank you to buy one product, Silverwax, and I hope you see the quality and you are happy with the products.